official link would take us to the home page of the website. So we'll come here, we'll fill in our mail. So after filling our mail, we'll click on the create account. So this interface shows us that they've sent a link to our mail that we use to create the account. So what we're going to do is that we're going to get to the mail and we're going to click on the Deriv. So this is the message that was sent to us by Deriv. This is the recent one. So we are going to click on verify email. So after clicking on the verify email, it's going to take a while. So it is going to create the account for us. So just be patient. So now it's going to ask us to input our country. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be using Nigeria there as my country. So you can choose the country that you are from. So you click on next. It's going to load. So the next page is going to ask you your citizenship. So you're going to put the country where you are born. And then so you're going to create a strong password that you can use to log in. So after putting your password, you press create password. It's gonna take a while. It's still loading. So now it has been created. So it's gonna ask you the currency that you want your account to be on. So you can either use the USD, Bitcoin, Euro. So I prefer the USD. So I'm gonna click on the USD, and I'm gonna input my first name. So whatever information you are using here, make sure you are using your information that is valid. You have a document to back up the name you are using, like your ID card, your government ID card. So you need to make sure that you are using the correct information. After doing that, I'm gonna set my date of birth, and I'm gonna click on I'm gonna fill in my correct date of birth, and I'm gonna click on next. Mind you, the information I'm using here is just for this purpose. So make sure you are putting your right information while doing this process. So now I put on my place of birth, which is Nigeria, and I'm putting my number, and then I'm gonna choose my account purpose. You can choose anything you want, but you can just choose the income heading, and you click on next. So it's gonna ask you your employment status. You can just put employed, your country. Then this place you can just skip here and click on next. So it's gonna ask you your address. Like I said, use an address that you can actually back up with a document. Use a verified address. Then you click on next. You just have to click on the checkbox, and you click on it. You create account. So you can see account created successfully. So we have successfully create our Deriv account. So now this Deriv account is where we are gonna use to create our demo, and we are also gonna use to deposit our real capital that we can use to trade on certain synthetic indices. So this is the first step that you need to get started in trading synthetic, and you can also use this to create your demo account, and you can also use it to deposit your real capital and start trading synthetic You can see how simple and easy it is. So the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a demo account and how to deposit real money on your Deriv accounts. So make sure you have subscribed to this channel and also hit the like and turn on your notification so you can be notified when I post the latest update about synthetic indices. See you once again. Now you can see our account has been created, and I think we have a demo account already. This is 10,000 USD. So I'm also in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to tweak this and input any amount you like on your demo account. So this is gonna be all, and this other place is where you see the menu, and so you can get more information about the account on that interface. So this is basically how to create your synthetic demo account. Bye for now.